What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see in my thumbnail, I got some new mics for the Jetta. A little story about these mics. Found them on Facebook Marketplace. The guy was selling them for dirt cheap. Messaged him up, spoke a bit. I asked him if he was available for me to go get them. He says yes. So I go for the drive. He was 40 minutes away from my house. I go see them. They're in really bad shape. They're very rough. They need a lot of work. But I still picked them up for the price. I paid them $200. I gotta put a lot of love into them for sure. But I guess it's part of the deal, you know. You spend $200 for mags. What do you expect? Anyways, I'm gonna show you the mags. So they're real BBS mags. Thing is, center caps are not real, and they're different center caps, and the ones behind don't even have original center caps. So I'm gonna be getting original center caps. There's even a mag that's missing a couple of these nuts, these bolts over here. I think it's this one here if I'm not mistaken. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 missing. I have one spare one. So that's the only mag that is missing the nuts. So what I'm actually going to be doing today is I'm going to my friend's tire garage. He said he was going to help me clean them up a bit. So that's where I'm going. I'm going to sand them down. I'm going to clean them up, sand them down, and paint them. I'm going to be painting them black. I'm also going to be probably changing the color of these bolts. I don't know why he had painted over them. I don't know what he was planning on doing, but I'm going to be changing the colors of that. I'm going to be ordering new center caps from Black Forest Industries, and this is where we're at. Okay guys, I'm at the tire garage. I'm gonna derim the tires off of the mags. My buddy is gonna help me out, and I'm gonna get this done.
Can you edit?
You don't want to go back? Yeah, Mike. Okay. Try the little ones. Well, we like the little ones.
I'm gonna have to cut the volume.
Voiceover. So this one here is off. Now we have the barrel over here. I'm gonna clean everything out. Wow, this mic is really crooked. Look at that bouncing job. Oh. Okay guys, I got all the barrels out. All the faces are off. The barrels are all empty. Now I just have to clean the faces, and then we're gonna get to the sanding and painting and clean them up for the car. Sorry if I can't really take too much of better footage. It's because there's a lot of people here and they're all screaming and swearing, so I'm probably gonna do a voiceover after this. Okay guys, we did a fast cleanup on the faces. Now we're gonna sand it down, get it ready for some primer. Then tomorrow we're gonna attack the barrels, and eventually they're gonna be nice again. These are BBS RX2s. They're 16-inch. They came off of the Mk2 Jettas. I think the GLI winter package.
Also Wolfberg's edition.
Yeah, Wolfberg's editions as well. They're nice two-piece mics. So I'm gonna sand them down a bit. I want them to come to this finishing here, so then I could sand them down with a finer sandpaper. It's gonna be harder, but what do you want to do? So I gotta make the whole face come to something like this. Okay, so this is my second one. I sanded one down with the rough. So then I'm gonna have to use the other grit paper for the thinner one, so it cleans it nice. I have two left over here to do, and I'm on this one here now. Then once I'm done this, I'm gonna have to hit the barrels tomorrow, and then it's all primer, paint, and clear.